Gold and silver haven't just been around forever. Their prices have also weathered some of the most turbulent economic times in history. Curious how looking at past trends can guide your retirement strategy? Historical data can be a powerful teacher. During the 1970s double digit inflation, gold rose over 1,000%, and silver jumped even higher. In the 2008 financial crisis, gold again climbed more than 100%, providing a hedge when other markets faltered. The guide shows that these metals often perform differently from stocks or bonds, making them a stabilizing force in a retirement portfolio. By understanding how gold and silver responded in past economic ups and downs, you can make more informed decisions about how much to allocate and when to consider adding these tangible assets to your savings. This guide is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you historical perspective and practical guidance. I've linked this one in the description. If you want to see how past trends in gold and silver can help shape your retirement diversification strategy, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, very easy to follow, and packed with insights that make precious metals investing clearer. You can find the link in the description.